How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Striker-8 TIR traffic advisor paired with our optional direct control box, and then I also brought our Z6 TIR surface mounts to show you the aux feature on our direct control. So your Striker-8 will plug in via connector here to your control box, and then you'll plug in your SIG plug here for power. So our traffic advisors will have our SIG plug for power, or you can cut this off and hardwire if you'd like to. So on our direct control, you'll have your power button here, and then you'll have mode 1 and mode 2. So you will have dual memory for your warning flash patterns. So in mode 1, I have one of our combo style flash patterns programmed, and then in mode 2, I have one of our standard half-half style flash patterns programmed. And I can easily swap between my two warning flash patterns by using my mode 1 and mode 2 buttons here. And then you also have your traffic advising features, so you'll have center out, left right, and right left. And within your traffic advisor, you do have different flash patterns to choose from as well, which you can access by tapping your pattern button while you're in that specific flash pattern for your traffic advisor. And then here you have your slow to fast switch. So you'll see the light bars flashing slow right now, and then I can flip that over and you'll see the fast will make that flash pattern just a little bit faster. And that works whether you're in your warning mode or if you are in your traffic advisor mode as well. And then you have your night mode here. So your night mode button will activate the red backlight LEDs on your direct control box. And then you have your aux button here where you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting all off of your direct control. So here is our Striker-8 with our direct control box and our Z6 TIR surface mounts all in amber. But we do offer this light bar in amber, red, blue, green, and clear color options for any application. And if you do need a custom color setup, we do have our customization tool available as well. So that's a brief overview of our Striker-8 traffic advisor paired with our direct control box and our Z surface mounts hooked up to the aux of our direct control. Make sure to check out the product pages and watch the full product demo, and also use our interactive players to demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.